still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout loud, me soul no leak. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I. Calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, me roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, watch the flow. They move too fast, me choose fi grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. Me carry stillness when others weak. I still waters run deep, still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace. Me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep, but chant for those whose waters deep. So when me gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep, where still waters sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise. Me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep. Just peace that run still and deep. Stillness is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong. Bit full of life, still waters run to. Till this is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong.
Like a tree, the roots run deep. Still I stand, still I keep faith in Jah through storm and strife. Me grow strong like the tree of life. Me planted long before my birth. My roots sink deep into the earth. Through drought and storm I still survive. My branches stretch, my leaves alive. No man can move what Jah did grow. Me bend in wind but never low. From seed to stem, from root to crown. My spirit rise, me nah back down. Like a tree of life, me stand tall. Even when the rain them fall. From root to fruit, me carry light. My soul grows strong in Jah skies. Yes, Jah, my tree of life. My tree of life. Me no chase glitter, me chase sun. Me soak up love from everyone. Me no fight shadow, me shine bright. Me feed me soul with truth and light. Some get lost in concrete maze, but I man shine through morning haze. My branch spread far, but heart stay near. To Zion drum me always here. Like a tree of life, me stand firm. Even when the system burn, me nah break, me just grow wise. Me leave them dance under Jah skies. Yes, I'm a tree still rise. grow slow, but Jah know best. My leaf give shade to ones in need. My trunk stand strong through every creed. Me no boast, but me exist as witness to Jah love persist. So when you feel your spirit low, come rest beneath this tree and grow. For every soul got space to climb and blossom in Jah perfect time. Like a tree of life, but still bloom, even in Babylon gloom. Me rise each day with peace inside. My branches wide, my roots can't hide. Ooh, Jah, me stand in pride. Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing, me walk with Jah in everything. Yes, Jah, me rise and cling. Me nah check phone, me check the breeze. Me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones. Say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow. Me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace. Let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground. Me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise. The echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trot his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system tries, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system tries, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. My granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, from ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye. Nyabinghi drums beat like slow, steady heartbeats before me speak, before me move. Me feel peace in my chest. Them talk a war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest. Me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Me can't control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come unwind it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow on my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live, that strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess.
Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters where they grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow. Me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No noise, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find not come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone. In stillness me no feel alone. They move for sure, me move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, me trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creek. Ooh, Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse, slow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me trod slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise. meditate by the roots and stone. In the silence, I'm not alone. Babylon fall with noise and pride, while humble hearts are sanctified. Fire burn, but don't destroy. It purifies and brings us joy. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Yes, still I rise. Chant down hate, chant down greed. Jah provide all that we need. Roots grow strong when storms blow hard. Every scar becomes a guard. So walk slow through the valley deep. With faith in Jah your soul will keep. Even when the night is long, Zion come with sacred song. I see hope in every face, melanin bright with Jah's embrace. Lift your voice, don't be afraid, with the music that love made. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Ooh, Jah, lift us higher still. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time. Jah love all the time. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time.
Love set you free. We the love set the fire. Listen, cause roots what you make.
Me born from clay, me shaped by rain. Me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me ear still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide. From valley floor to mountain heights. In every beat, in every tree, the ancestors still walk with me, yes, Jah, eternally. Them teach for shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king. Me chant the line from which me spring. My language crack, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from fallen tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. It whispers stories never old. Me carry drum, me carry song. My roots remind me where me belong. Oh Jah, my roots stay strong. Let the echo bring back time. Shine, sing low can climb. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. 'Cause without roots, no tree can climb.
Before so me walk with care. Every root tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding high through right and wrong. Through shadow deep and history, me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With barefoot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep. In every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release. Them chants still bring me heart to peace. Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jah one beside me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand. So next you'd rise and take my hand. Yes, me root in your land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self. Me walk for y'all. You'll hear the truth just said in the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree. Let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talking ancient code. Me feel your presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin. Your voice comes slow in the wind, the whispers in the wind. Truth so clear. Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, me hear Jah whispering.
Jah live close in breath and hope. Me nah climb tower fi find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy. Me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky, by every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise, floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin, just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow, let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I man grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf, let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong, been singing since creation song. No need for rush, no need for spin, Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen.